In Canva, there is actually auto-saving version history. So you can see the version history. If you have Canva Pro, you can try it for free for 30 days with the link in the description. Where's your version history? Go up to the File dropdown, and inside of here at the bottom, you'll see this little crown icon that indicates it's a Canva Pro feature, but we can click on version history. That will pop up and give us this little lightbox window that shows us different auto-saved versions here on the left-hand side that we can click between. So we can click between any of these last saved versions. I could click all the way back to the first version of this, which was actually an auto-saved blank document. So the next step of that was a different now hiring template I tried. The next step of that was this hiring template that I tried. So you can go back through these autosaves, and then in the upper right, you can then restore that version. You can also make a drop down, and instead of restoring, you can make a copy. So you could branch this off into a different project, and you could have two different projects going on. Restoring the version will take it back to that state. Making a copy will allow you to keep your current design and then kind of branch off with a previous design to go in a different direction so that you don't lose one or the other. So that's how you can restore your version and your version history with Canva Pro.